Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of DeepSeek, a powerful tool that can help you make some serious cash. So, buckle up, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what DeepSeek is and how it works. DeepSeek is an AI-powered platform that helps you discover and analyze trends in the market. It uses advanced algorithms to scour through millions of data points, identifying patterns and insights that you might have missed. This can be incredibly useful when it comes to making investment decisions, as it allows you to make informed choices based on solid data. Now, let's talk about how to use DeepSeek to make money. The key is to understand the platform's features and how they can be applied to your investment strategy. For example, DeepSeek's trend analysis tool can help you identify stocks that are on the rise. By keeping an eye on these stocks, you can make informed decisions about when to buy and sell. Another useful feature is DeepSeek's news analysis tool. This tool scours through news articles and social media posts to identify trends and potential market movers. By staying up to date on the latest news, you can make quick decisions about how to adjust your portfolio. Of course, it's important to remember that investing always carries some risk. While DeepSeek can provide valuable insights, it's up to you to make the final decisions. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So there you have it, folks. A quick overview of how to use DeepSeek to make money.